Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds, and right here we have a button Disconnect. And before I press on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, Disconnect leaves a device at the device list. So, right here, in other devices or in my devices, you will have just in my devices. You will have your earbuds. But if you click to Unpair, to forget this device, your device will remove from this list, so you need to pair it again. And now let's click at the Disconnect, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!